Most men get compliments all wrong. They think that flattery is the key to a woman's heart. They believe that piling on sweet words, saying whatever they can to make her feel special, will make them irresistible. But here's the truth. Most compliments don't work because they're either too generic, too predictable, or too desperate. Compliments like, "You're beautiful," might sound nice, but they're nothing new. She's heard it hundreds of times before, from strangers, past lovers, or even men whose names she can barely remember. A compliment like that fades into the air and is forgotten as quickly as it was said. So what's the key? What kind of compliment really works? Well, here's the secret. The most powerful compliments aren't just about her, they reflect something about you too. The Stoic approach. Stoicism teaches us that words should have weight. A Stoic man does not speak to seek approval. He speaks with purpose, precision, and control. When he compliments a woman, it's not to impress her. It's because he has observed something genuinely worthy of admiration. When you give a compliment like that, something remarkable happens. You're not just flinging empty flattery, you're making her feel truly seen. And when a woman feels truly seen in a way that others have missed, that's when attraction shifts from surface-level interest to something much deeper. So, let's break down 6 powerful compliments that will not only make her attracted to you, but will set you apart from every other man she's met. Compliment number 1. I love the way you think. Most men make the mistake of focusing on the obvious when they compliment a woman. They'll talk about her beauty, her charm, maybe even her sense of humor. But very few men ever acknowledge the way her mind works. And that's where you have the chance to stand out. Telling a woman, "I love the way you think," is far more powerful than simply calling her smart. Intelligence is a broad concept. It can mean many things, from book smarts to street smarts, wit, creativity, or problem solving. When you tell a woman that you love the way she thinks, you're saying that her perspective, the way she processes the world, is something you find genuinely fascinating. And here's the psychological truth. People don't just want to be admired for what they know. They want to be valued for how they see things. But don't just stop there. Be specific. If she makes a thought-provoking observation, tell her, "I never saw it that way before. I love how your mind works." If she asks an interesting question, respond with, "You always ask the best questions. I love how your mind challenges things." If she has a unique approach to problem solving, say, "I respect how you think things through. You see the world differently, and I admire that." A compliment like this does 2 things. It makes her feel deeply seen in a way most men never accomplish. It makes her want to keep impressing you with her mind, because now she's thinking about how you see her. And when she starts thinking about how you perceive her, that's when attraction shifts from superficial interest to something much deeper. Compliment number 2. I feel calm around you. A lot of men make the mistake of thinking attraction is all about excitement, adrenaline, and constantly keeping a woman on her toes, making her laugh, giving her butterflies, and stirring her emotions. While that can certainly work in the short term, the truth is that what keeps a woman coming back isn't just excitement. It's how she feels when she's with you. That's why telling a woman, "I feel calm around you," is one of the most disarming and powerful compliments you can give. This compliment is about something deeper: her presence, her energy, the way she makes you feel without even trying. Psychologically, when you say this to her, it does 3 important things. It makes her feel valued for something she might not even realize about herself. Most people are told they're beautiful, talented, or funny. But very few people are told that their presence alone has a calming effect on others. It creates a subconscious emotional connection. Humans are wired to seek out things that make them feel good. When you associate her with a feeling of peace and calm, you become someone she subconsciously wants to be around more. It subtly flips the power dynamic. Most compliments are about trying to win someone over, but this one acknowledges an effect she has on you. Now, instead of you chasing her, she starts thinking about how she affects you. For example, if she naturally slows down the pace of a conversation, tell her, "I feel really calm when I'm with you." It's like you bring a different kind of energy to the moment. Or, if she helps you relax after a stressful day, say, "Being around you just takes the edge off. I don't even know how to explain it, but I love that about you." This compliment is powerful because it's not about what she does, how she looks, or what she says. It's about the feeling she creates just by being present. And once she realizes that she can bring you peace just by being there, she'll want to be around you more and more. Compliment number 3, you change the energy of a room. People who walk into a room and change the entire vibe are rare. Their presence alone makes everything shift. Conversations take on a different tone. People react to them, even if they don't fully understand why. And when a woman has this kind of energy, and you're the one who notices it, that's when you become the man who truly sees her. This isn't just about her confidence or charisma, it's about something deeper. Some people bring lightness into a space. Some bring mystery. Some create a quiet gravity that pulls others in effortlessly. If a woman possesses this unique quality, and you tell her, "You change the energy of a room when you walk in," she will never forget it. Why? Because it's a rare observation, something that goes beyond her looks, her style, or even her intelligence. It's about something almost intangible, something she might not even fully understand about herself. Here's where it becomes even more powerful. If you describe exactly how she changes the room, you're showing her that your attraction to her isn't just instinctive, it's observant. For example, perhaps she brings calm, and people feel more at ease when she's around. Maybe she brings intensity, making everything feel more alive. Or maybe she brings intrigue, as people naturally want to know more about her. Most men focus on what a woman looks like, but if you tell her what she feels like to be around, that's when you really stand out. Compliment number 4. You make things more interesting just by being part of them. Women don't just want to be admired, they want to be engaged with. They want to feel like their presence adds something unique to the world. That's why telling a woman, "You make things more interesting just by being part of them," is such a powerful compliment. This compliment goes beyond her traits, her beauty, kindness, or intelligence. It tells her that it's not just about who she is, it's about what happens when she's around. This compliment also has a psychological edge. It makes her think, "Do I really make things more interesting? How? What is it about me that he sees that others don't?" What you've done is plant a seed in her mind, prompting her to reflect on how she affects the world and how she affects you. And that is one of the most irresistible feelings in human attraction, knowing that you've had a lasting impact on someone. Compliment number 5. I respect the way you handle challenges. Attraction is not just about desire, it's about admiration. If you want to give a woman a compliment that goes beyond the ordinary, tell her that you respect something about her. Most people don't feel truly seen in their struggles. They work hard, face obstacles, and keep pushing forward. But how often does someone stop and say, "I see what you're doing and I respect it"? When you tell a woman, "I respect the way you handle challenges," you're recognizing something deep about her. You're acknowledging her strength. This isn't just about her looks or charm. It's about how she faces adversity. But the trick is, be specific. Maybe she's dealing with a stressful job, and you notice how she keeps her composure. Maybe she's going through a personal struggle, and you admire how she carries herself. Or maybe she stands up for herself in ways others wouldn't, and you find that rare and attractive. This compliment doesn't just make her feel good, it makes her proud of herself. And when a woman associates you with a sense of self-pride, you become more than just another man in her life. You become someone who sees her strength, not just her beauty. And that's unforgettable. Compliment number 6. You inspire me. Most compliments focus on the past, what a woman already is or what she already has. But the most powerful compliments are about the future, how she affects you, how she changes you, and how she pushes you to be better. Telling a woman, "You inspire me," is one of the most profound compliments you can give her. Why? Because it does 3 key things at once. It elevates her in your eyes, showing that you deeply admire something about her. It makes her feel valuable because now she's not just attractive to you, she's impactful. It creates a connection because when someone inspires us, we feel drawn to them in ways that go beyond the surface. Just like the other compliments, this one needs to be specific. Maybe she inspires you with her work ethic, the way she refuses to give up. Maybe she inspires you with her mind, how she challenges you in ways no one else does. Or maybe she inspires you with her fearlessness, the way she steps into the unknown without hesitation. This compliment isn't just about making her feel good in the moment. It's about making her feel like she has a lasting impact on you. And when a woman starts thinking about how she influences your life, even if just a little, she's already emotionally invested. That's when you know you're different from all the others. Most men think attraction is about trying to impress a woman. They believe they need to be the funniest, the smartest, the most confident guy in the room. But here's the truth. The men women are most drawn to are the ones who make them feel truly seen. A powerful compliment isn't about flattery. It's about attention, perception, and making her feel like she's left a mark on you, that she's more than just another face in the crowd. If you use these 6 compliments, you won't just attract women, you'll stand out in a way that no one else does. Because while most men are stuck on the surface, you'll be speaking to something much deeper, and that's where true attraction lies. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more insights like this. Let's keep sharpening the mind, the presence, and the philosophy that makes you stand above the rest.